Hey guys, welcome to the How To channel. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through a step-by-step process to create a Telegram account without using your personal phone number. To create a Telegram account without your phone number, you can use a temporary or virtual phone number. When you open Telegram and click on Start Messaging, then the screen like this will appear, and here you have to type your number. And in case if you do not want to use your phone number, you can use a virtual number, and that is available on Google. So go to the Google or any preferred web browser and search for free virtual number. Here you can choose any website, but I'm going with this online SIM. And when you scroll down, you will see all these numbers. Here you can choose any number, and when you open the number, it will show you the number and the codes that it received from other apps or the websites. Now click on the symbol in front of the number in order to copy this number. And once the number is copied to your clipboard, now open the Telegram and paste this number. After this, click on this next icon and go back to the website. Here it will show you the Telegram code if you refresh this page, and then you can simply copy this code and paste it on Telegram. And this is the only way you can use Telegram without personal phone number. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe the How To channel.